Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is like a part 2 to my video about changing out the 194 bulbs to LED bulbs. So the ones I'm doing on my Z06, Z06, 2 on each footwell, driver footwell, passenger footwell, 1 in the glove box, and then 2 more up in the rearview mirror, which are like map lights. This is a tool that I got. I'll put a link in the comments so you can buy it. It doesn't cost much, and really, trust me, you don't want to try to get out those ones that are in the rearview mirror without this tool. Unless you just want to break them out and then pick the pieces out with a dental pick or something like that. This tool will get the job done. It actually looks like it was specifically designed for these bulbs, these 194 bulbs. See that? So you'll still probably spend a minute or two wiggling and jiggling it out. The best way is to just keep a steady pulling pressure and wiggle just a tiny bit left, right, twist it a little, do what you want. It's a bayonet style a connection. Okay. One thing I want to point out, I am going to use these same bulbs here. Use these bulbs, but this bulb that I took out, this map light bulb, is not a 194, it's a 192. Let's see if Froggy can get you a picture of it. And you can see it's a little bit different. It's got a little green bottom on it. It might have something to do with dimmability, maybe. Let's see, can I get a focus on this? There you go. There it is. Well, see, it's 192. G might be part of the designation. And these other ones are 194. I already showed you that in the other video. So I'm going to try this and see if it works. All the other ones worked in all those other positions that I told you. So you just take this and shove it in the bayonet slot. And that's it. I know they do dim because when you shut the car down, you get out and you shut the door and you lock it. You see the bulbs kind of go down, 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 down. So they're dimming. I don't know if the footwell and the glove box, I don't know if those dim or not, but I know that these up in the rearview mirror do dim. Okay? Let's get these back in. So I want to show you something. These LEDs are a smidgen thicker, so they're going to go in kind of hard, maybe 1 millimeter thicker. So just that's a heads up for you. I'm going to just try to put it in with my thumb. I'm not going to use that to put it in, although I might try that. We'll see. Let's try it. I'm going to use a little dielectric grease. You probably already know what that is, but it will give you protects electrical connectors from corrosion. I don't really expect there's going to be any corrosion where these are going, but it's also a little bit of a grease, so it might help it slip in there easier. All right, so I did get it in. That's the new one. I took the plastic cover off, obviously, and that's the old brown, tan, beige, whatever color. So you can see it's nice and bright and white and looks like an LED looks. The color temperature is probably like 5,000 K or something like that. Anyway, I did not get it shoved in there very far. It was like if there was like 3 positions to go in, or 3 or 4 millimeters. I probably only got it in 1.5 millimeter, but it's in there very tight. It's not going to go anywhere. The dielectric grease did help it slide in, and then I took my thumb and I just shoved on it. And don't shove it in there too deep or too far. You don't need to. Not going to go anywhere. It's not loose or anything. Okay? So, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun. Click on the notification bell if you want to be notified when I put up a new video. Okay? Bye-bye. I just have one little thing to add. It cracks me up. The second side in the rearview mirror, the driver's side, one easy pull. Wham, bam, just popped right out. So, go figure. The first side, it took me like 3 or 4 minutes, wiggling, jiggling. This one, palm. Froggy wants to add one more thing. The difference between the 192 bulb and the 194 bulb is that they draw a different amount of current and they have a different lifetime expectancy. Now, that's these bulbs here. Going to the LEDs, one heads up, they're going to draw less current, and in some vehicles that may trigger an indicator on your dash that you have a light bulb out. Well, you don't have a light bulb out, but you have one that's drawing less current than the original. So just so you might need to know that. I will put it down in the comments after I've driven a few days whether I get any codes or warning indicators on my 2013 Z06. Okay? I'll do that. Bye.